So today I'm going to cut my hair. You ready? Let's cut this hair into the pixie cut. I'm going to wash it first. I've been watching a lot of tutorials, but I saw they just do with dry hair and they spray with water. But I feel like I need to wash my hair and brush it before I start. I have to be quick because my hair gonna get dry. I use this scissor especially for a haircut, and I prepare some of the clips because I have to section my hair. I did it once in the jungle and I don't have much tools actually, to be honest. Just have small scissor, but now I have a proper scissor. Hopefully I can do it. Also I have a big brush for sectioning my hair. I am watching one video on YouTube and I want to have the style similar to her. I put her link in description box below if you want to have a look at her video as well. And now I'm just gonna go ahead sectioning my hair. I think I'm just gonna like this much. Is this scissor supposed to be like easier to cut the hair? Okay. Oh, this one it look like it's more longer. Okay. Then I'm like trying to cut diagonal. I cannot really see it. Okay, I think I have to take the hair a little smaller trunk because hair dry out so quick. It looked very uneven. But yeah, just I think I should go a little bit slower. Like, okay, not all the whole thing at one maybe. Just okay, I feel like in the back is really short. cannot really see it, just to feel it. Now this. Like that. Oh, very short bang. Oh my god. Clear at the back. Have a look at the back. Maybe I have to trim something. got shorter than I planned, but yeah, it's going to grow. It's the hair. So I'm not sure if the bag is good. I might need my friend to help next week to clean up the bag a little bit. But so far, I think it's short enough. So now I went to wash out the hair. I know it's not perfect, but I really like especially the front. I'm glad that I decided to do it shorter in the front because before was I don't like it. Although this side, I love this side so much. This part is different, shorter, and yeah, I just have to accept that when I cut my own hair. I am not a professional hairdresser or anything. I only cut my own hair, and so now I can wear my handmade jewelry, earrings again because I think it's look very nice with the short hair. I was thinking to do also the tutorial on how to make jewelry with beads, like beads jewelry. This is not my design. I bought it on Etsy, and I make a simple one, so I can show you how to do it. If you want to, just let me know. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this DIY pixie cut. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this haircut and if you're also going to do it yourself. I didn't do like the tutorial that I watched because her hair texture is different than mine, and I want to show you at the back. It's not perfect, but it's okay for now. Alright, see you in the next video. Be beautiful as you are. Mwah, mwah, mwah.